What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on PEPECOIN. So if you are interested about the exact setups that I'm currently watching on this coin, and also if you are interested about the exact price action and about the exact prices that I think this coin is gonna hit in the upcoming days, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a daily time frame. Here I am watching this bearish order block, which is between levels 3.867 and 3.425. If we are gonna retest this area and there will be a support confirmation on the 12-hour chart, this can be first interesting long opportunity. Don't worry, in this video I will show you multiple trading setups that I'm currently watching, but the first one can look, for example, like this. Stop loss, in this case you want to place under this bearish order block, which will be after support confirmation really safe stop loss. Your last take profit target you can then place above this bearish order block, which is next important resistance. And the reason why I am placing the last take profit targets above is that if we are gonna test this area, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are gonna take liquidity above, because there will be a lot of stop losses. In this case, you definitely want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you definitely want to take like under this previous highs, then this previous high, then this bearish order block, and then you want to save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio of 4.78, the risk reward ratio is going to be like 3.2 something like that, which is, in my opinion, a really great setup. Definitely you can, if you want to have your better risk reward ratio, you can adjust your stop loss to place it somewhere to this bearish order block, but then this trade is of course more risky. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Another important thing that you need to watch is an RSI indicator, because right now on the 12-hour chart, if we are, for example, take a look on a daily time frame, it's not that overbought, but on the 12-hour chart, this coin is really overbought, because we are on the level 87.59. So if there will be drop to this bearish order block, which will be around like 13 to 14% of a net market, then we are probably gonna get back somewhere to these like middle areas, which will be like 52.6 something like that, which give us another opportunity for a potential long trade. If you want, you can place your last take profit target like above the current all-time high, because once there is a breakout and then support confirmation, we will be in the price discovery phase. So above these previous highs there will be a lot of liquidity, but in my opinion there is actually no that high probability that with this pump we are gonna get to a new all-time high. So for me, placing it above this bearish order block is a good scenario. Another amazing setup that I'm watching here right now is on the 4-hour chart. Here you can see we are having this bearish order block, which is between levels 4.565 and 4.2602. You can see we already took liquidity above. So this is actually giving us two potential opportunities. The first one is definitely long trade if there will be a support confirmation above this bearish order block. And in this case, stop loss, in this case you want to place again under this bearish order block. Last take profit target, in this case you can place above the current high, which will give you a potential risk reward like 5.23, or above the current all-time high, which I think there is like not that high probability. So I will be probably placing it like above these previous highs, which will give me, even with let's say smaller profit, better risk reward ratio, because the potential stop loss is here also smaller. Again, in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take like under these previous highs, under this previous price action, like this previous highs, and then you want to place some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio 5.28, the risk reward ratio is going to be like again like 3.5 something like that, which is a really great setup. Also, if you want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, because analysis on all important altcoins that I'm watching right now I am sharing right there. Another potential setup that you can trade here is a short trade, because as we told, this coin is currently overbought. So if there will be a resistance confirmation after this fake out, because we already did here a fake out, this will be really great short opportunity. Stop loss, in this case you want to place above the high that we will create during the fake out. Of course, entry will be under this bearish order block after a resistance confirmation. The reason why I'm placing the stop loss above is that, again, if we are gonna take the liquidity again above this previous high, then this short setup is invalid and you simply don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. Your last take profit target, in this case, you can place above these bullish order blocks, which will give you potential profit around like 46%, but the stop loss will be like 13%, so the risk reward ratio is going to be like 3.5. And if you will take multiple take profit targets, which I think you definitely should, and you will take like 4 take profit targets on the way down, then the risk reward ratio will be like 2.2, something like that, which is honestly like not bad for a short trade. But if you are shorting, your like max profit is if the coin is gonna go to zero, which will be in this case profit like of course 100%, but risk reward ratio like 7.4. So usually the short setups are not that great. But if you, for example, want to short this coin because it's like super overbought, and you for example want to have your better risk reward ratio, you can adjust the stop loss to place it just above this bearish order block, which will be working fine. If it will give you like much better risk reward ratio, but then the risk of a potential, let's say, stop loss is of course higher. But yeah guys, these are all the main setups that I'm currently watching. Of course, we are having here some interesting scenarios even on like smaller time frames, but right now the main setups that I'm watching are on the 4 and 12 hour chart. And as I said, if you want to know about all the coins that I'm watching, then I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my Discord, and of course if you consider subscribe to this YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of my new videos. But hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video till the end, and as always, I will see you in the next one. See ya.